guys, alright, it's your boy Huggy here, bringing you that regular content. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I'm up here in Leeds, Alabama, about to hit the Alabama Mini Dragon. So our little version of Tail of the Dragon. First time hitting this, so I'm actually pretty excited myself. Should be pretty cool. So South 25 to Vincent, from Leeds, Alabama to Vincent, Alabama. This is the trail here. So here's the start of it. Welcome back if you've been here before. Sharp curves, steep grades, next 19 miles. First timer, welcome to the channel. Huggy Moto, bringing you the content. Doing the Tail of the Dragon on my 2003 100th anniversary Fat Boy. Actually got my Mustang seat with foldable backrest on today, so we will just lay back and enjoy this a little bit. It's a beautiful Saturday, so I'm not in a rush. We're going to take it easy and just enjoy some of these turns on the Alabama Mini Dragon. So when I bought this bike, it actually, there goes a scraping through there. When I bought this bike, it came with this Mustang seat. You know, it's like 5 inches thick. It's got the metal studs and the fold-up backrest. And the first thing I did was say, I'm getting rid of that. That seat is stupid. And then I rode it home the day I bought it. That was like a 2-hour ride. And oh, I was nope, there's no way I'm getting rid of this seat. I love it. It really is so comfortable. From wow, it was kind of pricey from what I get, but I didn't have to pay for it. If you're interested in this exact seat I have, I do have a link down below. I saw it on Amazon. I mean, I don't know how good of a deal it is, but if you see one used somewhere, grab it. Next time I stop, I'll give you guys a good look at this seat, but it's crazy how comfortable it is. I guess I should slow down a little bit. I'm actually just trying to enjoy it, really, not lean and I'll race through it. Gas station. Palm trees. So far so good as far as any kind of traffic goes. Obviously it's not as popular as the Tail of the Dragon, but oh, low ground thing. So a couple weeks ago when I dropped the rear end of this about 1.5 inches, haven't bottomed out or scraped anything yet. Well, I got that low profile seat and dropped the back. I love the way it looks. I was worried about the way it would handle, but haven't had any problems yet. Oh yeah, sun's coming through real nice through these trees. Not quite fall, but you can see there's some color changing. A few leaves on the ground. Beautiful. All right, we're getting some nice curves here. Drop it down a gear. Yeah, now. So I don't want to really shell out too much bucks. Yeah, if you've done the if you've done the Alabama Mini Dragon, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. I think it's pretty nice. It's beautiful around here. I haven't had anything too challenging yet. I've only scraped once. But looking at the actually looking at the map, it looks like there might be a tight turn coming up in a little bit, but nothing too crazy. And you see like the main tail of the Dragon, people just like bikes are out there in the trees and stuff. I don't think you'd have that problem here on this road. It'd be nice if they had a little spot to pull off and look out. Oh, maybe that's what this guy's doing. Let's see. That stop that I had was pretty cool with the view. That was a nice added touch. Oh, hopefully there'll be another one. The area that this road is in is up near like Birmingham, Talladega, a lot of forest. Chia Mountain is around here a little bit. It's got the highest point in Alabama, which is pretty cool. A lot of people like to ride up there and you can camp. I've been up there in a car. I guess one weekend I could go up there on the bike. Let you guys check that out. Yeah, so this is still the Alabama Mini Dragon. I think the whole ride is about 20-30 minutes. actually think I saw those two dudes going the other way. I think they literally turned around. This must be the end of it here. Yeah, they turned around. They're going back through it the other way now. Alright guys, yeah, I think that was it. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. You don't miss any content. And I'll catch up with you guys later.